The fuck you doing here?
Play magic.
Shame on you. Today we're going to be removing and potentially fixing a seat. Alright. So, issue with the car is the fact that I can go back, can't go forward like that. So, we're going to try and fix it with this tool. Got me a little tool from Amazon. Hopefully it works, hopefully it don't. I mean, hopefully it works. Oof. Oof. But basically this is the control module that goes here that allows me to go forward, backwards, up, down, hottie hooter. So, how to start this? Pry this off. Then you just kind of want to just be rough and just pry that off. That way you can have some more room to get into the cranny nits and bits. And pull that off. Probably should get it like a flathead, but whatever. Probably should have grabbed like a flathead or something. This is awkward to do. Okay. Remove that. Oh shit, I just clicked that back in. Okay. God damn it. Fuck. Where the hell Miguel go?
Pinch your balls off and have balls.
I appreciate you not pinching my dog. Period. No. I'm glad you're not pinching my dog. Period.
You know what? I'm gonna let it happen.
What's she doing?
Drinking water.
From?
We have to ask.
Fair point. I mean, I could just test this right now and see if it works. Come on, get in. Hot damn. Yo. Yeah.
Well, you're halfway there.
Yeah, now I gotta take this off and take that off. This is gonna be a short ass video. No. Throw her ball, damn it. Hello. Hi. My fingers hurt.
I know. Yeah, you're gonna need like a flathead.
Alright, let's see if we can find a flathead. Okay. Now we're heading off into the sunset with you. Wee. Meh. So we're gonna do our best not to, like, you know, slice my fingers off. Just saying.
Did we bring the new part?
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Oh, it's in the back. Be a little bit dumb, but stupid if I didn't bring it.
I thought you wanted it to be a two-part process.
No.
shit. It's always a two-part process.
Yeah, I drove to a at least. Whatever, riveting content, I suppose. Boom, boom. Ha! Nothing damaged, nothing broken. I can still put, boom, that back on. Then we're gonna.
By the way, Gabe, you wanna know what you were doing wrong when it comes to pulling it off?
I'm sure what?
There was a button you're supposed to be pressing down on it while you yank it out.
What button?
Right here?
Oh yeah, I was.
Then you have no grip strength.
Probably not, no. Ha 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 ha. I wanna make sure it's fully in though, cause I don't want no.
I mean flathead.
No, it's in. It's in.
Well, I know. Let me get it so I can put it back.
Oh. There we go. Ha. Boom. No. Oh, wait. Bada bing. Bada boom. Ha ha! Yeah!
Good. Get done celebrating so we can leave.
You said what?
Get done celebrating so you
Oh, I thought you said something about Subway. I'm like, no money for food! $1 a day can get us food. Look at him. He hasn't eaten in years. We were poor. We need money. You said what?
I said, so the guy from the Patreon.
Don't help him, those. Mama key. Oh, alright, team. And now, we got only one thing left to do.
Which is?
This video turned out to be a lot quicker than I thought. Oh, it's just the last thing it needs. I mean, you know, aside from like a transmission, but that's besides the point. But I'm just happy this works. So, but then after that, like, I'm not doing shit else because my plan is still take both of these seats out and get like manual rack seats in because, well, it's not heated or cooled, so it's like, why keep the electronics and weight? Plus, I like the designs of a certain company seats.
I say idea. I sound like a madman.
I mean, that's because you are, though.
But I'm alright.
Debatable.
Never been wrong.
Fuck that, wrong. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace.